Tasks and notifications help users track follow-up actions, assignments, and important updates related to documents. When enabled, they introduce a dedicated task management view and optional dashboard indicators to support smooth document processing. Located under Settings, Document Processing, Modules, Document Type, Task and Notifications. When enabled, a tasks icon appears in the side menu. An optional dashboard tasks counter can be activated to show open tasks at a glance. Tasks can be created in two ways: automatically via workflows, allowing task creation based on document conditions or process steps, or manually by a user directly from the document. Each task includes name, short label describing the task, priority, for example, low, medium, high, status, for example, open, in progress, completed, assigned to a specific user or user group, description, additional details or instructions. The task dashboard provides two interchangeable views to help users manage work efficiently. Table view, optimized for sorting, filtering, and bulk actions. Displays core task attributes like priority, status, due date, assigned user group. Card view, a visual board-style layout that groups tasks by status for quick scanning, at-a-glance monitoring, and easy drag-and-drop updates. Users can update task status, add descriptions, reassign, or close tasks, while workflow-generated tasks automatically appear in the dashboard following standard handling rules. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out more videos on our YouTube channel.